Welcome to Redline Review. The Ferrari Motorhome, slated for delivery in 2026, is a stunning fusion of luxury, style, and speed. It is an incredible work of art that embodies Maranello's racing heritage in a way never seen on the open road. Designed for Ferrari's most affluent clientele, this luxury RV is about more than simply travel. It's about traveling at the speed of your desires. Design and plan for the outside. Sculpted with aerodynamic perfection, the Ferrari Motorhome features bold lines, active air intakes, and carbon fiber bodywork, among other features. The distinctive features of Ferrari, like the Rosso Corsa Red, the tiny LED light bars, and the low, aggressive posture, are evident even when the vehicle is disguised as a motorhome. The roofline is meant to resemble a Ferrari's profile, and the living area is extended via concealed pop-out sections when the car is parked. Both the folding side decks and the butterfly doors in the driver's cabin showcase the blend of performance, elegance, and functionality. Powertrain. Over 900 horsepower can be generated by the twin-turbo V8 hybrid motor that powers the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. It is built on a hybrid platform that has been specially created. The ability to accelerate in less than 4.5 seconds from 0 to 60 kilometers per hour. Formula One-inspired suspension for optimal handling and ride comfort. There are selectable drive modes such as track, road, and lounge. This is not your typical leisure vehicle. Rather, it's a touring Ferrari. The inside with handcrafted Italian materials, a racing-inspired design, and state-of-the-art technology. The cabin is an epitome of luxury. A gourmet kitchen with titanium appliances, an espresso bar, and leather accents. A master suite with a floating carbon fiber king bed, Alcantara walls, and ambient mood lighting. A spa-style bathroom with heated marble flooring, smart glass, and a rainfall shower. A lounge space with an 8K OLED movie screen and surround sound system. Every element of the automobile has been painstakingly designed to give the same feeling of sophistication and wonder as stepping inside a Ferrari supercar. Features and technology. Roof-mounted solar charging for auxiliary systems. Holographic heads-up display and remote smart controls via the Ferrari app. Integrated garage space that can hold a Ferrari SF90 Spider or a small e-superbike. Ferrari's Cavallino Connect system, which includes artificial intelligence concierge and performance data. In addition to the accessibility, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is a unique vehicle that will only be offered in a limited quantity of 25 units worldwide and will be released by invitation only. Ferrari's tailor-made program, which starts at $3.8 million, enables total personalization of every unit. Delivery is scheduled to commence in late 2025.